Hey there, welcome to today's video where I'll guide you through fixing the frustrating Instagram unexpected error glitch. If you're encountering this hiccup while browsing Instagram, fret not, as I've got the perfect solution for you. When you stumble upon this error, you'll notice a retry option. Instead of repeatedly tapping on it, let's delve into a more effective fix. Start by navigating back to your device's home screen, then head to the settings on your iPhone. Once there, find and tap on Wi-Fi to ensure your device is securely connected to the internet, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, let's tackle the Instagram app directly. Return to Settings, scroll down to General and tap on iPhone Storage. Locate Instagram in the list of installed apps and uninstall it. Now head over to the App Store, search for Instagram and reinstall it. After reinstalling, launch the app and check for updates in the App Store. Update the app if necessary to ensure you're running the latest version. If the problem persists, check your device's date and time settings to ensure they're set automatically. Additionally, disconnect any active VPN connections and check device management settings for conflicts. If all else fails, try resetting network settings. After completing these steps, revisit Instagram to see if the issue is resolved. With patience and persistence, you should be back to browsing Instagram smoothly.